Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. There we go. Turn the light on, that'll make it better. Right, unboxing time. This is August unboxing. Well, it's unboxing, but without the unboxing. Now, anybody who's seen my videos before will notice that there's something missing here. I've not lost my tech and my retro, but it's Ralph and Mirror Ralph. Now, this is a big thank you to all my Patreons. I'm spending a little bit of the Patreon money. I've spent bits on getting things before for the garage anyway, like PlayStations and Mega Drives and Xbox and all that sort of stuff. But if you've watched a lot of my videos before, you'll notice that I struggle with anything with HDMI. What I've done, a bad edit there, is buy a new TV. Now the old TV's behind, which is a HD TV. Let's go look. It's a HD TV, but it's no HDMI whatsoever. But I've bought 32-inch HD TV. It's not brand new. Nothing in here is brand new. I'll never buy brand new stuff. It's like looking at an Xbox One. I don't think I really want to buy one, to be honest. But yeah, 32-inch Sony TV. It's got all the HDMI stuff I could possibly need, and happy. So there's one purchase, one unboxing straight away. Let's have a look at what's actually on the back of this. And this is what was made in 2011, so technically it's not new, it's not old. I'm about to drop it on the floor. It's got a tiltable base. Right, the model number on this, as you can see there, is KDL 32CX523, which is not brilliant, it's not bad, but it'll do me for what it needs to be. It's a full Sony. I love my Sonys. Now, inputs, apart from the main cable that comes out for the plug, I have a network plug which I can use for smart TV on this thing, which is not as good as the one I've got in the house. A SCART lead, which will go on the Amiga. The component cables, which I want composite, but I might have to deal with something on that anyway. Look at that, 3 HDMIs. Look at that, brilliant. An aerial one in case I want to play any old grandstands. Optical audio, so that would be really good. And a headphone. Yeah, is it headphone audio? I think that one is. Or it might be audio in. Excuse me. And on the side, even more. USB, card slot if I ever find anything to fit in there. Another USB, another HDMI, PC and headphone sockets. So this will go exactly where this screen here is going. So this is actually now on its way. So we can have something a bit more better in the garage. Now, it's more useful to me having something this big in here, because it will fit. 'Cause I wanted something that fits underneath where my cupboards are on top here with some games and stuff, other Xboxy stuff and PlayStation games and stuff. So it fits underneath this shelf. It's absolutely perfect. I've got another monitor in the corner there, which is for anybody who's streaming, or if I look at the chat rooms while I'm actually looking at the main screen when I'm doing a video. But yeah, oh hello, hi, I'm in the reflection. But yes, we've got a new TV. Also, I'm trying not to spoil anything, but I've actually done a little redesign in here as well. We've got a new table here from the next door neighbours, so we've completely revamped this area. I'll do a full tour around here anyway, I think eventually, but it's reorganised a little bit. But let me put it back on the stand, get the telly out of the way, and then I'll show you what else is on my unboxing today. Oh, there we go, back on. So the remote control for the TV is as such. Like I said, I've got a very similar TV. I think it's the newer version of what that one is. It's on the floor down there at the moment. Very similar remote control, so I know exactly how it does. I'm sure the operating system's different. Batteries in the back, works perfectly. Right, you know what that is? I only have speakers on the TV, which is over there that you saw, and it's good enough for what's in here. However, the guy I bought the TV from also gave me this lump. Now you probably might have just seen it a second ago. It is a Panasonic SC HTB 65 soundbar, and the size of this is ridiculous. I mean, this will, I don't know if I can put this in here or whether or not Amanda's actually begging for this to go into the house. I mean, you've got your standard power socket down there, so I'll have to rig something in the house because she'll want it on in the bedroom with the TV that's already similar to that. Inputs for the, well, yeah, input from here for the audios, and an optical cable, which I've actually got an optical cable that says well anyway. USB, however, it says for service only, if you can read that upside down. There's I don't know if that's a port down there as well, in that hole in the middle there. Oh, in the middle there. Or there's just a hole for making things cool, I don't know. But yeah, for needing stuff in here, let's put that right way around. So full theatre system. This works probably as well as a standard set of speakers for the PC, if not a hell of a lot better. It even shows you on the front here what inputs you got. Well, I assume it wasn't switched on when I actually picked this up, and the battery's flat in here as well. But that's by the by. So we have that. Just a little bit organised. Another one. Right. You know, I love my Ataris. So birthday money and wages money and whatever else. I saw these on Amazon. On Amazon? Saw them on eBay. Crikey. Come on, Ralph, how much you got to drink? 2 touchpads. There was one, I think it was on its own with one of the paper fold-ins that you put in between those two tabs in there for about 10 quid. I think this was about 8 for 2. So, definite bargain. Even if I use one of them and sell the other one, I'll get money back anyway. And definite essential to any Atari player is paddles. Now, why the hell they don't give, especially with the flashbacks, they never give you the paddles for the game, even though I think the last flashback had got Demons to Diamonds on it and Super Breakout. You can't play it left and right with joystick. You need the precision of a paddle. So a set of them, both go into the same wire anyway, so you could probably do a 4-player if Atari ever did. That looks a little bit bent for some reason. There's an original, proper, old school Atari. I'm not sure there's any corrosion inside there. I'll have a probe poke in there when I get around to cleaning it. Now, I had got this. If you know what these are, then fine. If you don't, these are for putting a circuit board between. You clamp the circuit board between both of these. You can unscrew this part down here and this part down here to make this wider or narrower or whatever. Now, I got the idea. I think Craig from the Man Cave Discord channel gave me the idea. I remember it was Fair Fight. I'm not sure. Actually, I think it was Craig. This only goes to that wide, maybe that wide. Some circuit boards are a lot bigger. You can probably get them that way, and if they're longer, sort of. But here's a big tip for anybody who's not watching this. Unscrew, unscrew. That's the only bar you use for the width-wise. This is 30mm by 15 steel hollow bar. Now, the hollow boxes is plastic cups on the end, caps on the end, should I say. That's all this is. If you can get 30mm by 15, or it might even be 10. Let's try it, hold on. 30mm width, 15mm depth. There's more, yeah, it is 15. With only, I think it's a 1, maybe 2mm, well, probably 1.5mm steel. I bought this on eBay. Right, this is 90mm in length, sorry, 90cm in length, just shy of a metre of 30mm bar, be 15mm thick. It's aluminium more than steel, but it's fine. It weighs less than what that thing does, and fits in there perfectly, absolutely perfectly. Now I can have a circuit board on here if I want to, if I'm not insane. Try and get that side in there. It's a good tip for anybody. Get one of these things that are cheapish if you're going to clean a circuit board. It's yeah, massively wide. You probably wouldn't need anything longer than that. So my idea may be, if it's ever needed, is to take the black bar here, the one that came originally with it, take these smaller legs off, replace it. Okay? Replace it with this one, so you've got a wider, so it's not going to tip over forward and backward when you're cleaning the circuit board. And chop off the same length of this, of my aluminium bar, and use it for the other side. I'd probably be left with, I think there. Now nobody's circuit boards are that wide, are they? Unless you put them the opposite way around. Most of what we do is Spectrums and Commodores, Amigas and whatever else sort of stuff. So it's perfect doing that and cutting one off to making these legs even longer. To be honest, it's perfectly fine as it is, so I might just leave it as it is and have the extra coming out either side. They just clamp in place. That's on a spring. Clamp your board in one side, clamp your board in that side, hold it in place, just tighten it up a little. Nothing major, gives you a little bit of turning so you can do some soldering. Dead easy. But the guy on eBay was selling this, I think it was £8 for 90 centimetres, it was £8 for 60 centimetres, it was £9 for 45 centimetres. So I just bought the longest one. They're exactly the same price, so I don't know what plan it was on, to be honest. End caps fit in perfectly fine anyway. A little bit of clean up inside there, I think, anyway. These will fit absolutely perfect in. Yeah, going in lovely. Like I say, it's aluminium instead of it being metal, being steel, so it's fine. It gives you that sturdy base to do your soldering of your circuit boards. Then you can just flip it round, do the other side. Easy. Right. One last unbagging, and literally this is unbagged. I'm just covering over the sender's address. This was eBay last week. I think this was drunk eBaying. Now, I have my Fairchild, and I still need to do a strip down video of the Fairchild, the Channel F. But I've decided I think I might try and do a collection of what the games are. So I've got 3 already. I think there's 1, 2, and 13 or something like that. So I went on eBay. Fairchild carton number 5. And I think there's 26. Correct me if I'm wrong on this one. This is Space War. I'm only looking for ones that are boxed. And that's not bad. It's not as good as the ones I got from Chris. Does come with the instructions book. Does come a little bit of fingerprints on there. Nothing that isopropanol won't clean off. Oh, that's very good. Spring is solid. Doesn't have the warranty card inside there, which is a shame. But I thought the warranty cards, when I actually saw the Channel Fs, are... It's ridiculous. You don't need a warranty card for a cartridge. But yeah, I'm going to start the collection on these. It's not going to be really quick. It's not going to take forever. But there are other cartridges out there. Hello. Might be a bit of a... I thought it was a bit of damp. It might be a bit of damp on there, actually. On the label, it might actually wipe off. I think it might wipe off that. Get a bit of isopropanol. Doesn't look bad at all, to be honest. Yeah, if there's 26 of the original ones, there's another one which is a German version which does... You can fit. I forgot what they are called. I've looked into them. They're on eBay, which I can find. I don't think I'll collect them ones just yet until I've finished doing all these. But I think they're compatible. I don't know if they are, but maybe I can go to find one, stick one in the garage, see if it works, and plod along that way, see what happens. So, little unboxing, well, boxing, but essentials, well, almost essentials. If I can keep this in here, not let Amanda nick this one. The TV, definitely essential. This, start of a collection. Other bits and bats for playing games, really. So, if it gives you anything to think about, fine, no problem. If not, then please consider subscribing. Patreon, if you to help out. See, the television is, I'm claiming it as Patreon money, because it's a definite essential for in here. I'm absolutely scuppered without an HD TV, especially now when everything's coming through HD, and it's desperate. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow me on social media and all that lot, and links are below, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye for now.